Cloud Backup and Replication uses a Microsoft SQL Server or SQL Server Express database to track files and folders that have been replicated, individual file versions, and snapshots. When creating a Cloud Backup and Replication job, the management agent that you select for the job must have a connection to your SQL Server. In the previous video, I showed how to install and configure a copy of SQL Server 2019 Express for use with PeerGFS, and in this video I'll show you how to create a new database connection so that it is ready for use with Cloud Backup and Replication jobs. In the Peer Management Center, click the Window pull-down menu followed by Preferences. Expand Cloud Backup and Replication in the navigation menu and select Database Connections. Click Create to open the Create Database Connection dialog. In the Database Connection Name field, enter a unique name for this database connection configuration. In the Management Agent field, select the peer agent that will interface with the SQL instance. In the DB Hostname field, enter the hostname of the computer hosting the SQL instance. In the Port field, you can enter the port that will be used to communicate with the specified SQL server. This defaults to 1433 if left blank. In the Instance Name field, enter the database instance name to use on the specified SQL server. If no named instances are installed, leave this blank. In the Database Name field, enter the name of the database that PeerGFS will create. The default name is Peer Cloud, but it can be changed to a name that follows your company's naming conventions if you prefer. Authentication, select Integrated if the agent service account is granted admin rights on the selected SQL instance. Otherwise, select Credentials to enter the username and password of a database administrator. Click Validate to test the connection, and then click OK in the confirmation message that appears. Click OK to close the dialog. The new database connection is listed in the Database Connections table. Click Apply and Close. Now that a SQL database is set up and ready for use, in the next video we will add the destination credentials for an object storage target.